Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the ability to install outside the Play Store, enable unknown sources for the TV user profile, and install a lightweight file manager. Next, download the correct Chrome APK variant for your TV's CPU, ARM or ARM64, so the app can run. Transfer that APK now. Use USB, local network share, or ADB sideload. Doing these steps first prevents architecture mismatches and permission errors later, and sets you up to install without interrupting the TV's system apps. Once the APK is on the TV, open your file manager and navigate to the download location. Select the APK and choose Install. Grant runtime permissions when prompted so Chrome can access storage and network. Without them, it may fail to render pages. If the file manager blocks installation, use a DB. Connect with a DB Connect TV IP, then a DB install R app name. App to force sideload and replace older builds. These steps handle package signatures and ensure the APK is written to system storage correctly. After installation, open Chrome, sign in, and adjust settings. Set it as default if you want links to open automatically and enable desktop mode for full site layouts. Make sure you update only with APKs matching your device architecture. Mismatched split APKs cause crashes. If Chrome won't start, clear the file manager and package installer caches, reboot the TV, and try reinstalling an older stable APK. This single troubleshooting step fixes permission conflicts and signature mismatches most of the time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.